Oh, hello everyone. We thought we'd make a work in progress film today. We haven't done that for some time, and this is a really interesting one to show you. Do you remember I made a golden pheasant recently? That was a commission, so it left the studio as soon as it was finished, and I was sorry about that because, believe it or not, I do like to spend time with the work once they're finished, and it usually gives me the idea for the next piece. Certainly has this time, because I've decided to make a Reeve's pheasant. Didn't want to make the golden pheasant again. It was a great success, but let's make a companion piece. The Reeve's pheasant, I was surprised to read, is a very aggressive pheasant in India, which surprised me because my experience with pheasants is that they're not aggressive, and in fact they're a bit silly and docile. Anyway, here he is, looking a medley of browns. This is the longest fusion I could make diagonally in the big kiln, and this time he's with Hibiscus. The golden pheasant was with peonies, and I made these lovely periwinkle ones, but once I'd got this dozen or so down, I thought it was enough really. I didn't want to overwhelm with the purple, so I've added white ones, and I think it's looking good. But my big idea is, instead of to start mosaicing the background, which I would normally do around about now, I'm just going to carry on adding more and more leaves, getting darker and darker, smaller and smaller, trying to get some kind of density and undergrowth thing going on there. I'm pretty sure it's going to work, but all I can say at this point is watch this space.